Hello traders, I welcome you to Happy Traders Zone. So in this series, we are going to see about weekly breakout stocks. So in our Happy Traders Zone channel, we will be providing the week on week stock analysis. So in this video, same like that, we will be analyzing some 9 swing trade stocks and 2 intraday stocks for Monday and as well as for the entire next week, guys. And before getting into this video, so subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on Telegram and become part of our trading family. And this is our Telegram, sorry, it's a YouTube channel, Happy Trader Zone, and this is our Telegram channel. So here we have the link. So if you couldn't able to find us on Happy Trader Zone, you can search with the link provided here. Yeah, so now let us get into this video. And for this week I have been selected some so it's not a 9, it's a 10 stock. We have chosen the 10 stocks which has already provided the breakout, and there is a breakout anticipation, and 2 intraday stocks for the upcoming week. Okay, so the first stock is on the Vedanta. So here we have a resistance line, and further touching this resistance line, so Vedanta has provided the some minor fall. So after that there is a triangular symmetrical triangular pattern formation, and here we have a breakout and a further rally, and again it has been came down for the retracement, and again there is a U-turn in this stock, and we have a very good candle formation. So one can take an entry at the current market price to this price, which is 355 to 360 price, and they can expect the target of around this one. If you would like to invest in this Vedanta, i I anticipate this time there will be a breakout of this level. So if you are also an investor, you can wait till this breakout happen. If you are a swing trader, you can make a long entry at this portion, and you can exit at around 389 or the 390 rupees. And your stop loss would be, so any candle close below, okay, any candle close below this level, you can exit the trade. So first one is on Vedanta from the metal sector, and next one is on the Indalco. So the same from the metal sector. So Indalco. So there is a longer time. Okay, there is a longer period. So Indalco is in the sideways uptrend. So it doesn't have enough power to go up, and also it doesn't have the enough so down push as well. So it is traveling in this direction, and finally it has taken the resistance at around levels of 545 to 555 levels. So I expect, so here we have 1, 2, and 3 times there is a rejection at this level, and if there is one candle formation has happened like this, so if there is one candle strong candle formation has been done like this, so we can expect this move, like drastic move we can expect in this stock, guys, and which would be around 18 to 19%. And what will be our stop loss? So this would be our stop loss. Okay, with the 3 to 4% of stop loss, we can expect the 18 to 19% of move. Yeah, so now let us move on to next one. So comparing to Vedanta, I expect the high probability on this Hindalco. Okay, next one is on the Coal India. So Coal India in last week Friday, so it has been made around a 9% move. So and I anticipate there will be some minor move around 170 level, and there will be some U-turn, and the stock will travel within this line, within this SR line, which is support and resistance lines. And if in case in the next week if there is any breakout of this level, so that's what our entry. So this would be our entry point, and we can expect the target of previous swing high, which is this one. Some 15 to 16% of move we can expect here, and our stop loss would be around 3 to 4%, I expect. So Coal India, it has a high potential to move up in the further days, and also it providing a very good dividend. Okay. And in case next week if there is a rally in the banking sector, we expect the Bandhan Bank to provide the breakout around this level. So the breakout above 320, 332 would be a very good breakout, and you can expect the target of around 364. So here we can expect the target of 364 as a target 1, and also 424 as our target 2. In case if there is a candle close below this level around if there is a candle close below 300, you can exit this stock. Why? Because the stock has higher the chances to come down till this level, 300 to 230. Some 70 rupees move we can expect in the downside. So next one is on the Wipro. So in Wipro there is a candle formation like this. The same formation also I have been captured in the Infosys. I will be showing now. So there is some triangular pattern formation. If there is any breakout in the either direction, you can make the long or short entry, and your target should be, if in case of a long entry, your target should be around this point. Why? Because here we having some gap down, so this one we can expect our target, which is around 16 level. Okay, and if there is a breakout has been very good with high bullishness, you can expect the target of till this level, 640 levels, 640. Yeah, 630 level can be a very good target. And further, if any one candle for breakout has been done above this level, you can expect the target of around 420, sorry, 725. Okay, and before going into the Tata Steel, I would like to say about the Infi. So Wipro and Infi would be very similar. Yeah. Okay. So this is how the Infi is traveling. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times it has been took the support at this level. So we are not going to make a long entry at this level. So in case if there is a breakout of around this one, in that case we would be going make a long entry on this Infosys. Yeah, this is what our levels. So if any one breakout candle has been formed, this would be our entry level, and our target would be around 2000 lifetime high. Okay, now let me move on to the Tata Steel. Tata Steel, here we have the Tata Steel. Yeah, so Tata Steel is traveling in the rising wedge pattern. So the broadening wedge pattern. So Tata Steel is forming in the broadening wedge pattern. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 support has been done, and 1, 2, 3, 4 resistance has been done, and this zone is our very good strong support zone, and above that we having a so moderate support zone which became the strong support zones, as we have 1, 2, 3, 4 support, 4 times it took support at this level. So one can expect the target of till this level. So currently we can make a long entry, as the candle is very good with the target of till so 12 to 13% we can one can expect, 13% one can expect, and in the downside you can expect around same 13%. So 1 is to 1 trade can be done, so 1 is to 1.2 trade can be done. Okay, so make use of this Tata Steel as well. So in from the metal sector we have Vedanta, Indalco and Tata Steel. Out of that, Indalco would be a very good one, and Tata Steel also a good one. So Vedanta we can have, but for the investors you can make a long entry, and for the swing traders you can make a long entry, and you need to be a little cautious, and you have to be booking the profit at that monthly resistance. So next one is on the power grid. So if we see power grid, so there is a formation of the parallel channel pattern, rising channel pattern, and here we have a breakout, and again the stock has started to get inside this parallel channel. So in case of if any one day candle close has been done above this level, one can make a long entry. I want the candle like this, so that this would be your entry point and this would be your stop loss. And what is your target? As usual, guys, so the previous swing high, some 9% move can be expected in the power grid. In NTPC, yeah, the same like the power grid, we also having the NTPC. The stock is from the power sector. If we see, so it is traveling in this panel rising wedge, yes. So it is traveling in this rising wedge pattern, and here if you see there is a breakout. So here we have a bear trap, and again there is a candle close inside this channel pattern. So in the upcoming days we can expect the stock to go further high. I anticipate to get the target of around 8 to 9% in the stock, and my stop loss would be around. So one can keep the stop loss of 4% and can capture the stop target of around 9%, guys. 9%, I guess, is some 8.5%, and with the stop loss of around 4%. So one is to two trade. So power grid and NTPC from the power sector, and also the DLF from the, okay, this one is from the reality. And if you see here, we having the resistance and the further resistance breakout, we having a support 1, support 2, support 3, and here final breakout has been done. And again here we have a so very strong support comparatively, more than this one. This support seems to be very strong, and here we having a support. This one is resistance which become the support, and again now it will become the resistance. So what we need now, we need a candle formation like this, so that we can make a long entry with our stop loss of around 5%, and our target would be around 9 to 10%, guys. And we can also re-enter if there is a breakout again like this. Yeah, so in this case you can make a long entry, and with the target of around 12% with the stop loss of around just 5%. DLF would be a very good pick. Okay, next one is on the Hindustan Construction. So here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 resistance, and there is a breakout, retracement, and a rally. And again, so due to the market situation, there is a very good fall. And after the taking the support at this level, and again it provided the breakout. So one can make the long entry now itself, and with the target of around, this would be we can keep this as the target 23%, and our stop loss would be 5%. And you can it's worth, you can also stick to this trade with 10% of stop loss. It's stop loss depends upon the people to people. So at the live market depends upon the candle formation, price action formation, I will be so little dynamic in stop loss on this stock. So for that only we need some very good knowledge in understanding the price movements to capture the candle formation. So next one is on the Tata Motors. In Tata Motors and Adani, one of the Adani group stock I selected, which is Adani Power, or not. I think this is the stock. What is this? I think, okay, Adani Port. So Tata Motors and Adani Port, I have been chosen. I would like to give a warning on these two stock. Why? Because there is a kind of a bull trap has been done. So here we have a very good candle formation, breakout candle, and again there is a green small chota green candle formation. And I want the formation of candle like this on Monday, so that the next day from Tuesday the intraday traders can take a short trade on this stock as well. If any one 5 minutes candle close has been done below this day low, which is 441, you can make a short entry with the target of 427, 415. Okay, and this is not a very good one, so I request no one to make an investment in the Tata Motors for now. Okay, but because this is good for the short trade instead of going long. Okay, so next one is on the Adani Port. Adani Port, there is a formation of diamond pattern in the Adani Port, and finally there is another the second pattern, which is our triangle pattern, and there is a breakout of triangle pattern has been done. Now retracement has been done. If any one 15 minutes candle has been rejected again from this level. Okay, one can make a short entry with the target of one. Target one is 682, and I expect if there is some okay, I'm just switching to the 15 minutes to give you the clear picture. Yes, perfect. So there is a very good tight consolidation at this phase. If any one 15 minutes candle close has been done below, one can make a short entry, and you can expect the target of up to till this level, 683, 682, 683, and further you can also expect the target of till this level, 675. Yeah, so that's all for the short trades. And now let us touch upon a little on the Nifty, what has been done in Nifty. Okay, I need to change to the index. So this is the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, so we want this candle close at this level. So above 16,860, we need a green candle close to anticipate the bull run in the upcoming days. It's not a confirmation, it's just an anticipation. And I'm just switching to the weekly time frame. And in the weekly time frame, still we having a so strong BNS. If you see here, we having a strong B, selling, and from here this level we having a very good supply, and from this level we are having a very good demand. So I expect the Nifty to travel between 17,300 to 16,300. In this 1000 points, there would be this Nifty would be moving in the upcoming days. For next week, I expect this 1000 points would be our support and resistance. And beyond that, we can expect the one side move in the Nifty. Yeah, so that's all for this week, guys. So have a nice week and a happy trading. So follow us on YouTube as well as in our Telegram channel. Yeah, bye.